Innovators Inc. develops and delivers hands-on technology workshops for kids based on kits that are commercially available. And then what we do is we go outside of the box, literally and figuratively. The whole chassis is pre-assembled, and all of the good stuff is hidden in some ways. And we thought, wouldn't it be cool if we could take it apart even further, kind of explore the inner workings.
Today, I built a walking crab that when it goes to the edge of a table, it just turns around so that it won't actually go off the table.
The kids are really very interested in using their hands to do it themselves, know that they can take it apart, and they learn so much, they want to do it all over again.
I liked how there's a lot of mechanical parts and how they explained it, what each part was. I have an interest in engineering, and I want to be one when I grow up.
They disassembled it, they analyzed each simple machine inside, and they put it back together. At the end, they had the success of knowing how it works inside.
I really liked it because I love making robots, and it was so cool. I would really like to do it again because I had lots of fun today.
It was very, very well run. The instructors were patient, they were fun, they captured the attention of my kids, especially the little one. They had her engaged in building. I was very impressed. I think STEM is so important these days, and to have a workshop like this is just amazing. So happy for mom, happy for kids. I'd like to do this again.